So there'll be a sliding scale panel.
Well, we have suggested that.
And
I
we
think
have
percentages are real. No, I think percentages are a real problem because, as Ed said, if you're doing it on public donations, it really doesn't matter because the amounts are in pennies. But if you're making significant grants through the platform, to have 5% on £50,000 or whatever, or £500,000, it becomes a very different conversation that you need to have. So I think there is a
and we're going out to validate that fee structure, exactly that piece, that we do believe that there should be a tiered structure depending on the size of us. That, you know, I find it quite difficult if we're putting sort of 5% on a £5 million project. That's quite a big call. So I think that does need to be looked at. It's something that we want to validate out. You know, we know that our fee structure, there is people accept it. There's a lot of acceptance of it. There's also people turn around and say we don't accept it, and we've got to try and find what is the happy medium and what is workable. Because at the end of the day, you know, we're in the fortunate position of being a not-for-profit. We're in the fortunate position where the trust has given us the backing and the support behind us. But we've also got to be a commercial entity where actually we can keep our lights on, and that we can keep investing in, you know, in the platform for the greater good. So we've just got to find that balance somewhere. And really, you know, we will be coming out fairly shortly with questions, and we really value the feedback, because at the end of the day, we've got to get something that works for everybody.
And I think we've got to be really honest about ourselves. I mean, there is a cost of fundraising for the Community Foundation, and if we can only fund 30% of everything we see, but we put those projects on the platform, then potentially we don't need someone in our team raising money for that extra 66,000%. So of course we'd be prepared to pay something towards that, because that's enabling us to do something that we can't do with the limited resource that we have. And more money goes to where it's meant to get to. So I think that's the key thing for us.